Hey everyone, today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to host a static file like HTML page and images or even any small static website on AWS S3. Okay, it's a very super simple. Okay, let's jump into it. Okay, first of all, we have to for creating the S3 bucket, we have to log into the our AWS management console. Okay, after that, this is a search bar. If you search here, you can find the S3 service. Okay, and okay, then you have to hit this. We have to go to the S3 and S3. This is a S3 console. Then you can find the create button option here. You have to click on the create button. So here this is the options are available. So here the bucket name. Okay, so here we have to give our bucket as a unique name. Like for example, I'm going to give a my static uh, website demo. Okay, so after that, if you come down, you can see the object ownership. So you have your two options here. So here ACL disabled, ACL enabled. I'm going to hit this because it is a control ownership, so I'm going to give the permission for the ownership. So okay, so here you can see. Then coming to uh, so here we have to this is a block public access setting for this bucket. Okay, so here because we want to serve the files publicly, we have to confirm we have to uncheck this block all public access. Okay, so if you come down, then we have to acknowledge this. Okay, after acknowledge, come down, then I'm leaving this all the options as a default. Now I'm hitting the create bucket. Okay, so bucket name contains an invalid character. Okay, now we'll see. I'm going to remove that. We'll see. Okay, so instead of underscore, let me give this one. Now I'm going to create a bucket. It's creating the bucket for us. Yeah, so we have successfully created the bucket. So once we hit this bucket link, no, it will open the bucket console. Okay, now you can see the option here, upload. So I already download one static website from the Google. Okay, that you can see this is my static website. Okay, so here, so you can see here, you can upload the files. So once you upload the file, then you can see the option like add files. So I'm going to add this all the files. Okay, this all the files I'm uploading. Okay, after successful upload, and I'm going to hit there is some folders also is there. Now I'm going to hit the add folder. Then you can see asset folder is there. I'm going to upload this one, upload option. Now again another folder is there, vendor folder is also there. I'm going to upload this one. So after uploading, you have to hit the upload button. So we have to click, then every file is uploading. Okay, it will take 2 to 3 seconds, few seconds it will take to upload the entire file. Yes, it is a processing. Yes, it's uploading successfully. You have to go this one, and you can see all the files is there. Okay, so then here you have to make so in the bucket we can find the all files we have uploaded. So in that we have to select the action to make the public. We have to give the permission to access the website for the public. So that what we'll do, we have to check this all, and you have to go to actions. Now you can see this make public using the ACL. So after hitting this one, you can see, so I'm making the public. Okay, yes, we have to go to this bucket. One second, it is making the public. Sorry, it is still processing. Now it is public. Okay, so now what we'll do? We okay, here in the object. If you open this one, index.html, you can find this URL. If you copy and paste in the browser, you can see. Now you can see our website is hosted successfully. So we can access this website by uploading an S3 bucket. Okay, okay, we this URL. Okay, and we can use the CloudFront also for better performance, and we can set this URL with our custom domain also. Okay, we can keep our file optimized for faster unloading with the CloudFront also. In next tutorial I will show you that how to upload, how to create a distribution in CloudFront, how we can access the same URL from the CloudFront for better performance and fast access also. Okay, that's it guys for this video. So if this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more cloud tutorials. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.